Hi, my name is Jim Tyner, professional paper hanger, and we're going to be talking a little bit about border. Installing border is a little different than installing your paper. With our paper before, we went all the way to the ceiling. Well, we don't want to go to the ceiling this time. We only want to go as 1/8 of an inch shorter than the border. In other words, the border will go to your ceiling like this, and every 8 to 10 inches I want you to make a mark, because that's where your paper is going to go to. We're going to be putting our paper up to that point and cutting it. We've made our marks. I'm going to draw a line to where our paper needs to go. Sort of like connecting the dots. This is where our paper will go. This is the area the border will cover, plus about 1/8 of an inch. That's all we need to install. Put our first sheet of paper up just like we did before. The preparation is all the same. We hang it up to our vertical line. And we'll cut it right there. After I get 2 sheets up, we'll come back and show you how to install the border. Now we have our sheets up, and revealing a little, what we did was use the width of the border as a guide, because all we want the border to do is overlap our paper by 1/8 of an inch. The reason we don't go to the top before we install our border is because our border will dry out first and pull our paper down. So what we do is we go up to an area 1/8 short of where border is supposed to be and cut it. And after you've done the room, you install the border the same way you've installed your paper, but only we'll be going horizontally instead of vertically. And we'll be going along the top of the ceiling, like so. Just nice and easy, smoothing it out, using our sweep and or our smoother to continue. Now, before it's all set, as you can see, it's overlapped just about 1/8 of an inch, maybe a little more. But we know that paper doesn't stick to paper. So what we use is the same thing we use on the inside corner, which is the vinyl to vinyl paste. We'll put a bead of it right along the top there, and then lay our paper down. Now again, this is laid down gently. Just applying a small amount of pressure. We don't have to have it looking perfect today. It should look perfect tomorrow. But keep in mind, after you smooth it down, wash it. Wash it often. Take a look from the side, look from the bottom, to see if you've got all the paste off, to make sure that there's no shadows showing where the paper should be laying against the other paper. But if you've done it right, the only amount of border that will touch your existing paper is about 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. And there you have your border.
To watch the other segments in this video series or for how-to videos on almost any other topic, visit monkeyseed.com.